We gathered here this morning following a decision made last night. As you know, we got a report at about 8 p.m. last night about this collapse of this building, which has 10 units. Last night, as you all know, was a disaster response exercise. We were all the agencies, the emergency response units, the Red Cross, the police, and the Nairobi County Disaster Management Unit, the fire and rescue team, were able to respond quickly and were able to reach here on time. We were able to establish that there were 34 residents in the 10 units, and we were also able to verify that they were all safe. We took a head count, we took a register of all those members that were staying in this particular court. But there were lingering doubts that perhaps there could be other people that are still trapped. So the disaster rescue battalion of the military made the decision that this morning they were going to deploy the K9 unit, which they've done, and we've been able to go through the rubble using the human detection dog, and so far we're able to confirm that no sign of life has been detected. As you know, it is now a crime scene, and the competent authorities have now taken over. The engineers, they are able to assess the building and establish whether the residents will be allowed to access and retrieve their properties. If that is the case, then they will do so. But if that doesn't happen, they'll then definitely take, the agencies that are investigating will take samples of the material for the due process to establish the cause of the building collapse to go on.